Many people believe that getting weaker is just a normal part of aging. They think that after 60, leg strength must fade away. Stairs become harder. Getting out of a chair feels heavy. Balance becomes shaky. But what if that belief is wrong? In Okinawa, Japan, people live longer than almost anywhere else in the world. Even more surprising, many of their seniors are strong, active, and independent. They climb stairs without holding rails. They kneel in gardens and stand back up with ease. They walk daily without canes or walkers. While many older adults in Western countries struggle to rise from a chair without using their hands, Japanese seniors often move with confidence and strength. So, what are they doing differently? The answer may be found in 6 simple exercises that have been part of Japanese life for generations. These movements are not extreme, they are not complicated, they do not require machines or gym memberships. Yet modern research shows they can dramatically increase leg strength, improve balance, and reduce the risk of falling. Some studies even show strength improvements close to doubling after consistent practice. The first exercise is heel raises. It may look too easy to matter, but it plays a powerful role. In Japan, older adults often rise up onto their toes while cooking, waiting for the train, or brushing their teeth. They perform this movement naturally throughout the day. The calf muscles are sometimes called the body's second heart. They help pump blood from the legs back up to the heart. When these muscles weaken, circulation slows down. Poor circulation can lead to muscle loss and fatigue. Strengthening the calves improves blood flow, ankle stability, and even walking speed. Faster walking speed has been linked to longer life. To perform heel raises, stand facing a wall and lightly place your hands on it for balance. Slowly rise onto the balls of your feet. Hold for a few seconds at the top, then lower down slowly and with control. Doing 20 repetitions 3 times a day can wake up the lower legs and improve strength over time. The second exercise focuses on the hips. In Japan, this movement comes from sumo training, but it has been adapted for seniors. Strong hips are the foundation of strong legs. If the hips are weak, the knees and lower back often suffer. To perform sumo stance hip circles, stand with your feet wider than shoulder width. Turn your toes slightly outward and bend your knees a little. Place your hands on your thighs and slowly make circles with your hips. Move in one direction for 10 circles, then switch directions. The key is slow, controlled motion. This exercise strengthens the inner thighs and deep hip muscles. Research shows improved hip stability can reduce knee pain and make walking and stair climbing easier. The third exercise is seated leg extensions. After age 60, the muscles at the front of the thigh, known as the quadriceps, weaken quickly if not trained. These muscles are essential for standing up, climbing stairs, and staying balanced. To do this exercise, sit upright in a sturdy chair. Slowly extend one leg straight out in front of you. Hold briefly, then lower it down slowly. Repeat with the other leg, starting with 10 repetitions per leg and gradually increasing to 20, can significantly strengthen the thighs. Once the movement becomes easy, light ankle weights can be added to increase the challenge. The fourth exercise is a modified squat. In many Western countries, older adults are often told to avoid squatting. However, in Japan, squatting remains part of daily life. People squat while gardening, cleaning, or picking up objects. Because they keep practicing the movement, they maintain strength and flexibility. A safe version of the squat can be done by standing near a sturdy surface for support. Slowly bend the knees and push the hips back as if sitting in a chair. Lower only as far as comfortable. Hold briefly, then stand back up. Starting with 5 repetitions and gradually building up allows the joints to adapt safely. Consistency matters more than depth. Even shallow squats done daily can build strength. The fifth exercise is single leg balance. Falls are one of the biggest dangers for adults over 60. Loss of balance can lead to injury and loss of independence. Training balance is one of the most effective ways to protect against falls. Standing on one leg may look simple, but it activates many muscles in the lower body. It also strengthens the connection between the brain and muscles. To practice, stand near a wall or sturdy object for safety. Lift one foot slightly off the ground and hold the position as long as possible. Switch legs and repeat. Practicing for short periods several times a day is more effective than doing one long session. As balance improves, closing the eyes can increase the challenge. This forces the body to rely more on muscle control rather than vision. The sixth and most powerful exercise is simply standing up and sitting down. In Japan, this movement has been studied extensively. It may be the most effective way to build leg strength after 60. Standing from a seated position requires the legs to lift the entire body weight against gravity. It works the quadriceps, hamstrings, and deep stabilizing muscles around the hips and knees. Because a chair is used, the movement feels safe and controlled. To perform this exercise, sit in a sturdy chair without armrests. Cross your arms over your chest, lean slightly forward, and stand up slowly. Then lower yourself back down with control. Moving slowly increases muscle activation. Starting with 10 repetitions in the morning and 10 in the evening is recommended. Each week, a few more repetitions can be added until reaching 30 at a time. Research shows significant improvements in leg strength and balance after just 8 weeks of daily practice. What makes these 6 exercises so effective is their simplicity. They focus on movements used in daily life: standing, walking, balancing, bending, and rising. They strengthen not only the large muscles, but also the deep stabilizing muscles that protect joints and prevent falls. Even better, performing all 6 exercises takes less than 20 minutes per day. No expensive equipment is needed. No gym membership is required. Just consistency. Aging does not have to mean weakness. Strength can be rebuilt. Balance can be improved. Independence can be protected. The example set by Japanese seniors shows that small daily movements can lead to powerful results. Starting with one exercise and adding the others gradually can create lasting change. The journey towards stronger legs does not begin with complicated routines. It begins with something as simple as rising onto your toes or standing up from a chair. And sometimes that simple step is all it takes to change the way you age.